This is going to be just a quick Sanford update video that I filmed this past fall. A little late on editing this, but we just got moved into our new house, so it's been a pretty busy and hectic time. I will be getting back up to Secord Dam probably next week and filming an update up there, so updates coming on that very soon, as well as hopefully I'm going to be installing that live camera up there next week. Just waiting for them to go ahead and move the job site over to the east side of the dam, start driving sheet pile over there, and then they will be able to trench in power and internet to the pole. Here at Sanford Dam, though, you can see work as all wrapped up. Sheet piles all been finished being drove in. Riprap on each side of that. This area right here is where that breachway was, where the water used to flow underneath the temporary bridge. You can see how nice and straight the sheet pile wall is here. And then over here, a nice shot of the temporary bridge. We'll be going to check out the Sanford Park area in a little while as well. I know there's quite a few people that were interested in knowing what is happening over there. But it looks like the grass is coming in, or whatever they planted here. I'm sure it's a mixture of grass and some native plants so that the erosion does not occur in this area. And then a shot here in front of the dam with the water flowing over the top of the new concrete weir spillways. So quite a bit of water flowing over these spillways right now than earlier in the year. Some of this footage might actually look familiar if you went to the Four Lakes Task Force symposium as well. I edited a couple of videos for them on each one of the dams, as well as an all-encompassing video showing all the progress that has happened over the last couple of years on these dams. It's pretty amazing to see the progress. Here in the Sanford Park area, though, you can see the baseball fields taking shape nicely. Some of that grass starting to come in as these have been hydroseeded. And you can see a couple of the posts in the back for, the catches if the ball goes behind the batter. And if you actually check out the live camera, there is one located right here in the park area. You'd be able to see that they're building some of the dugouts now, and there's been a couple of other buildings that have been built in this area recently as well. So really amazing to see all the progress going on here. At this time of me filming with the drone here, you can see some of those sidewalks that were currently going in place and being constructed. Got pretty muddy out there with all of the rain and snow melt we've had the last week. And then over here on the left-hand side, you can see the Tittabawassee River that is flowing down towards Midland and the Sanford Dam in the background. But another great shot showing the entire park area, as well as the dam, the temporary bridge, and the lake bed back there in the background. Also, you'll see when I pan up over there on the right-hand side, you'll be able to notice there's one of those new buildings that was constructed right there by the Department of Public Works building. The drone is facing towards the north at probably about 300 feet in altitude, and I'll start dropping in altitude a little bit further. We'll come over here to the river and see a little bit more of that erosion work that has occurred. So over there on the left-hand side, you can see a lot of riprap that's placed. A lot of dirt was taken out of this river path when Fisher Contracting was wrapping up work here. So they removed a lot of that dirt and then reinforced this bank with riprap so that erosion does not occur come spring. And also, since the time of me filming this voiceover, they have came and hydroseeded and spread straw over that area so that there is some grass coming in to further stop that erosion as well. We'll come up a little bit closer to the backside of the dam, and then we will fly over and check out the lake bed. But again, if you want to see the most current update as to what's going on here, make sure you go ahead and check out the Sanford Dam live camera that is located right here on the powerhouse of this dam. Work has pretty much wrapped up here, though, until the construction phase in the coming years. And right now, that is what's occurring up there on Secord and Smallwood Dam. So that construction phase is the final phase to go ahead, restore the dams, bring them back up to current codes and regulations so that the gates will be able to be raised in the term of the crest gates. And here's a great shot over here on the lake bed. You can see a little bit of that brush that had been brush hogged, removed. So in the coming years, there's not huge trees growing out there when the lake beds are allowed to, when the dams are allowed to be closed and the lake refilled again. So here's the berm that was in the last Sanford update video. This is where they closed off the river flow, the river path, and started directing the water back over the top of the Sanford Dam. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you go down below, hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and leave any questions and comments you have down below. Like I said, I'm going to start cranking through a whole bunch of videos now again, now that we're not as busy in our lifetime. But, thanks for sticking with me. Really appreciate it. And stay tuned for seeing the updates up there on Secord and Smallwood Dam coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below. As always, I just want to give a massive thanks to the people who support me on Patreon. Never underestimate the value of your contribution to keeping this channel going. Thank you.